Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for joining us in this part two of our multi-part series on how to use Syked Pro Tuning Suite to build a tune file for your car. On today's installment, we're going to be discussing the operating mode as well as showing you how to use the handheld wizard to read the calibration from your vehicle and license your vehicle. With the operating mode, we have three different options to get a little bit more into detail. On edit calibration, if you've already downloaded and licensed your vehicle and you've built a tune file and you just want to go in and make a couple minor changes, you're going to want to go to the edit calibration. If you have not read your vehicle and you have not licensed it, you will not want to go straight to the edit calibration. You'll either want to use the eliminator or you'll want to use the handheld. The eliminator is our flash cable. It's a credit-based cable that allows you to tune up to 800 vehicles off of one piece of hardware. It's great for the shops. It's great for developing tunes that you would then preload onto handhelds and ship out to your clients. Or if you and a lot of your friends want to go in and tune all your guys' vehicles off of one piece of hardware, you guys are able to do that as well. The eliminator currently is in production. We're looking by the end of quarter 1 of 2018 to release the eliminator, and again, it's going to be a credit-based system. The handheld is locked to one vehicle, and you are allowed to license one calibration with it. And since we're working with the handheld at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to use the handheld. We hit use handheld. Handheld's plugged in. Handheld found and ready. We're going to click to continue. So what we were doing is we were converting the handheld into reader mode. So once you convert the handheld to reader mode, you're going to be prompted to go out and read the calibration from your vehicle, then to come back and reconnect the handheld to the PC. So at this point, go ahead and disconnect the handheld, go out to your vehicle, take the handheld and the OBD2 cable with you, plug it into the OBD2 connector, turn your key on without your engine running, and follow the prompts on the handheld menu. We're going to go out and do that now, so we'll be back shortly. Alright everyone, I'm back. So we just went out to the vehicle and I went ahead and read the stock calibration file, and now I'm going to read the calibration file off of the handheld. So once we get finished reading this calibration file, it's going to go ahead and it's going to save a backup of that file that we can use for recovery purposes. And then it's going to go and it's going to communicate with the server, and it's going to prompt you to license it if you don't already have it licensed. And then at that point, you're going to want to confirm the licensing, and it's going to use the credit that you get when you purchase the handheld and software package. So now it's asking you about the license confirmation. Are you sure you want to license this calibration vehicle? This action cannot be undone. Used or licensed credits will not be refunded. If you're not sure, please contact customer support. We also want you to note that your calibration file may not be available on the server. If your calibration is not available, you will not be charged a license or credit, unless a superseded calibration is available and you'd agree to license. As I mentioned, every handheld software package comes with one license to tune your car, so you go ahead and click yes. At that point, we go up, we communicate with the server. We're going to download the stock file from the server along with the template. Download complete. And we're going to open up the calibration. From this point, you can begin the editing of the calibration file, which you can then load back into your handheld, and you can go and flash to your vehicle. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for part 3.